Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Corinna Bench, and I am from Shared Legacy Farms. I'm the farmer's wife. And if you haven't heard already, starting April 1st, I'm doing something called the 14-day Instant Pot Challenge. I'm going to be trying to make as many Instant Pot meals as I can for 14 days, April 1st through the 14th. I want to invite you to participate with me. And to tell you, before I tell you how you can join that, I wanted to just start off by giving you a quick tour of the Instant Pot. So a little over a year ago, I was scared of this machine. I got this as a gift from one of my CSA members who supports our farm. And so it sort of forced me to figure out how to learn it. But I was scared. I'd heard all those horror stories about blowing holes in the ceiling and, just being scared of it. But it's really an amazing tool. And I now use it at least twice a week to help me with my meals for my family, because I love how it cooks the food really fast and it keeps the nutrition dense. It's a great flavor. And so if I really want like the cooking experience and, get a glass of wine and listen to my Brad Paisley, I don't use the Instant Pot. But if I need a meal that's really nutritious and yummy and fast, I love to use this because I can get a meal on the table without a lot of effort in under an hour. So a lot of people are like, well, I don't even know what the Instant Pot looks like or how it works. I'm confused. So I just wanted to do a quick video and show you kind of the basics. And over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to pop in here and do more little training videos to kind of break it down step by step for those of you who are nervous, because I really feel like you can learn how to use an Instant Pot if you just do like 5 recipes. And I'm going to walk you through what you need to know first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, so that by the time you've watched those different videos and you've tried those 5 different steps, you kind of know what you need to know to be able to figure it out on your own from there. So kind of step 1 is just getting you familiar with what this thing even looks like. So it has 3 different parts. So this is the basic machine. I recommend that you get the 6-quart machine. There's also an 8-quart version. If you've got a huge family and you're gonna make a ton of stuff, I guess you can get that one. But 6-quart is fine for most people. And it's got a lid on it. I'll talk about that in a minute. But on the inside is what's called the insert. It's just this stainless steel thing like this, all right? And it's got little markings on the outside here too, all right? And it just sets inside this little guy, all right? I just place it in. So I can pull this out and wash it. It's really awesome, all right? And then you plug it into the wall, which I've already done. And when you do that, this little sign comes on, it says off, all right? So nothing's heating up. It's perfectly safe right now. Everything's normal. Now this is the lid, and I just want to point out to you, this is what it looks like on the back. It's got a venting system here on the one end. All right, and now this is a pressure cooker, but it can also be used as a rice cooker. It can be used as a slow cooker. Like you can get rid of your slow cooker and use this instead. So you don't always set it to, to be a pressure cooker. But if you did need to seal it, I just want to make sure you know this is the venting mechanism right here. If you are going to seal it, you're going to make sure that this is in the down position. I'm just telling you that because I have sometimes tried to cook a meal and then forgotten to do this. Like I found it's over here and then, the steam's just escaping out the hole and it's not coming to pressure and it's not working. So this is an important thing to know about. You always want to check that this is in the down position if you are using it as a pressure cooker and you need it to create pressure inside. Okay, so you're just going to hold on to it here. So this black part is all heat safe, right? So you can touch this and it's not hot at any point in the cooking. This is where you would hold it. So you grab it here, you set it down kind of to the right, like this. Did you hear that sound? Like a little arcade sound. And then you're going to turn it to the left. And it goes up, okay, it goes up. And now you know that it's sealed. I can't take it off, all right? I'm just going to check my venting knob up here and make sure it's in the down position. And then I would begin to play around with the instrument panel. And I'm going to go over that in a separate video at a later date. But this is kind of the basics, how you seal the machine, how you close the machine. You put your stuff inside there, you close it, you turn it, you hear the noise, you make sure the venting thing is ready to go, and you're good to go, okay? It's that simple. I also just want to mention that there is a safety feature on this guy so that you cannot take this lid off. Your kids cannot take the lid off if it's under pressure, okay? So I know that was a concern for me. What if my kid comes over here and does this and then everything blows open? It can't do that. It's not possible. This will not release until the pressure is safe inside the chamber. So that's really good to know for all of you moms and dads out there who worry about your safety of your kids, as you should. All right, so that's the basic tour, the end. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to join my 14-day Instant Pot Challenge, you can go to sharedlegacyfarms.com Instant Pot. It's going to take you to a form to fill out your name and your email address. And what that will do is starting April 1st, you're going to get an email from me every day for those 14 days with a different recipe in it. And then I may also kind of reference some of these video links so you can kind of be watching and learning as you go if you're interested in that. At the end of those 14 days, I'll also send you a PDF of all the recipes in one giant document. So you have like a mini cookbook that you can use, the stuff that I've taught you. So if you want to participate in the challenge, go to sharedlegacyfarms.com/Instant Pot. There's actually a prize too. I would love it if you would share pictures of the meals that you're making during the challenge. I want you to try and make 3 meals during those 14 days. If you can make 5, that would be great, because I think 5 is like the perfect number and you're set to go. But try to do 3 pictures, hashtag them SLFarmsIP, and I'll be looking for them. If I see that you've given me 3 pictures, I will then include you in the drawing. You have to be a resident of the Toledo metro area. I do want to say that, and you have to be at least 21 years old. This contest is not sponsored by Facebook or any of that. It's just this thing I'm doing, okay? So, and the prize is a $25 Amazon gift card. It'll be chosen randomly on April 16th. So if you want to participate, great. If not, just do it for fun and get those emails, get those recipes from me and have a go. Listen, I really believe that you really just need to know like 5 different skill sets, practice 5 different things that I'm going to teach you step by step. And once you kind of know those 5 things, you're going to feel confident enough to sort of really begin to explore this on your own. So I know it seems really overwhelming, but it's not. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know. You got to learn how to saute. You're going to have to learn the different ways that you release pressure. I'm going to show you a couple of different skills, how to actually use this instrument panel, and then we'll do a few sample recipes together. And after that, you're going to be like, oh, I can do this. So I hope you join the challenge. Go to sharedlegacyfarms.com/Instant Pot to subscribe and get those recipes starting April 1st. Thanks, guys. Have fun. See ya. Bye.